Hey Vibe Tribe, and welcome back. It is so good to have you here.
In this explainer, we are tuning in, and I mean that literally, to a topic you have all been asking us about, solfeggio frequencies.
You know, it's the big question, isn't it? Can a single sound, just a frequency, really reduce your stress or maybe even help you heal?
I'm sure you've seen the numbers all over social media, like 528 hertz for miracles or 396 hertz for releasing fear. Well, today we're going to break down what they are, what they're not, and what science actually has to say about all of it.
Okay, so to really get into this, we're going to start by going way back. To understand the modern hype, you first have to understand the history. And it's a story full of mystery and, well, monks. So picture this. It's the 11th century, and a Benedictine monk named Guido d'Arezzo starts using this unique six-tone scale in those really famous Gregorian chants.
Right, but then, for reasons nobody really knows, the scale just disappears. It's lost for centuries. Fast forward to the 1970s, and a physician, Dr. Joseph Pullio, claims he rediscovered them. And how? By using Pythagorean math to find a hidden pattern in the Bible's Book of Numbers. I mean, it's a wild origin story, and it's absolutely key to understanding the hype today.
And with this rediscovery came all of these pretty incredible claims. We're talking about specific frequencies for liberating guilt, for harmonizing your relationships, and of course, the big one, 528 hertz, the so-called love frequency, for transformation and even DNA repair.
Now, if that list just made your crown chakra tingle or maybe made your skeptical eyebrow shoot up, we get it. So let's start separating the mystical vibes from the verifiable facts.
Exactly. You know us, we love the magic, but we also really love the research. So let's take a look at what science actually says about how sound truly impacts our bodies and our brains. Okay, let's just tackle the biggest claim head-on. 528 hertz and DNA repair. The mystical claim is that it can literally fix your genes. So what does the science say? Well, a 2018 study found it significantly reduces cortisol, which is our main stress hormone, and it increases oxytocin, the love or bonding hormone. So while it might not be a literal miracle worker for your DNA, it is demonstrably powerful for reducing stress and increasing those feelings of connection. And honestly, that's still a pretty huge deal.
Yeah, the results of that study were really fascinating. I mean, listening to music at 528 hertz for just 5 minutes led to a pretty big drop in cortisol. But here's the kicker. When people listened to standard music, which is tuned to 440 hertz, there was no real change. So that suggests the specific frequency really did matter.
So, what's actually happening here? How does this work? Well, a really key concept is something called brainwave entrainment. It sounds complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. Your brain's own rhythm starts to sync up with an external rhythm, like a sound. This is how certain tones can gently guide your mind into a more relaxed, creative, or even deep meditative state.
And this is so crucial. While a lot of the really specific claims about solfeggio frequencies are, still unproven, the general power of sound is absolutely backed by science. It can trigger a dopamine release, calm your nervous system, and even help your brain build new pathways. That's not magic, everyone. That's just neuroscience.
Okay, so this brings us to a huge piece of the puzzle. Is the power really in the frequency itself, or is it in what we bring to the experience? It's time to talk about the incredible power of our own minds.
I love this quote because it just gets right to the heart of it. Sound can be this incredible tool to get you into a receptive, open state, but it's not going to do the work for you. Real, lasting change comes from your own belief and your own aligned action. You've got to meet the vibration halfway.
Exactly. Think of these frequencies as amplifiers. They take the intention you already hold, that desire to release fear or that focus on healing, and they just turn up the volume on it. They are not a shortcut. And there's a reason for this. As therapist Kim Sliski puts it, when you pair an intention with a creative tool like sound, you are literally priming your brain to notice opportunities that line up with your goal. You are tuning your own focus. Okay, enough with the theory. Let's move from the mind and into the body. We're going to play a few of these frequencies for you. Now, there is no right or wrong way to feel here. Just be open and notice what comes up for you.
All right, first up is 396 hertz. This is the frequency that's associated with releasing fear and guilt. Let's just take a listen. As you're listening, just take a slow, deep breath. Try to bring your awareness down into your body. Notice any sensations that come up. Does it feel grounding? Maybe heavy? Maybe light?
There's no right answer. Just observe.
Next up, the famous one, 528 Hz, the frequency of transformation and love.
With this one, try to focus on your heart space. As you listen, just imagine a sense of opening or maybe blossoming in your chest. See if you can use the sound as an invitation to just soften any tension you might be holding on to.
And finally, let's listen to 639 Hz. This tone is all about connection and harmonizing our relationships.
So for this final sound, just feel into the vibration of connection. You could bring to mind a person or a relationship. Simply notice if this tone invites a feeling of harmony, or maybe some ease into that thought.
Okay, let's bring it all together. Now, whether you felt a huge shift during that, or maybe nothing at all, the most important takeaway of this whole thing is coming up right now.
This is it, right here. The most powerful, potent frequency isn't something you can download from the internet. It's the energy you cultivate within yourself, every single day. These sounds, they're just a guide to help you find what's already there.
So whether you're soothed by 528 Hz, or you just love vibing out to your favorite song, follow what feels good to you. Follow your personal resonance. These frequencies are amazing tools, but you are the instrument.
You are a whole symphony in motion, so play on.
We would absolutely love to know what came up for you. What frequencies really resonate with your unique energy? Go ahead and share your experience in the comments below. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more explainers that blend manifestation, science, and all the magic in between. Until next time, stay tuned.